I'm also fine. Maybe it's here. Bye. Yeah, I'm Papi.
Okay. Actually, I'm looking for a guy. He lives around. His name is Psyche.
Okay.
Sarah, I don't get you.
Jab of some catch you, okay. And no last me, Bam, who will be so dear, who will see whom we are two attempts at one time. Whom the super madam, and two both women.
Are you talking or what?
I'm talking.
Better.
Please, I'm Papi.
And who said I'm interested in your name? If you have nothing to say, I have to go and buy something.
I'm sorry. Actually, I'm looking for a lady in this area. She said she lives around this road. Her name is Biscuitina.
Don't you have a phone to call her to find out where she is?
I do. I was just talking to her on the phone. My phone went off.
You're going to look for someone and you didn't check your battery power, like seriously?
It's not my fault. How do you say this in English? But if you put it right.
I don't understand what you're saying. Excuse me.
Hey! Hey! We are simple. What's the tea? Anna, me want to have some better. And I almost have me. Ready watch it. We are following. Was shepherd letting you know what is the word about? Police in Pampa. From Musu. Mimi, some from Sikamo. Mammy, it's not what from Musu.
Any day was seen. The scene was saying, but all can even wait. Nana, hey, two for the catcher me. Any was seen when it say, many one Casamini, any 1 year. Nana, Psyche, Mijay.